Hey there, it's me, Kathy. It's a great afternoon here at Fayetteville, and I'm thinking that with the Super Bowl coming up, we are all looking for creative halftime snacks. And I have one, and it has a backstory. Many years ago, I wanted to put my own signature on a Cuban sandwich. Now, for those of you who don't know, a Cuban sandwich is a grilled pork, ham, pickle, Swiss cheese, and some sort of mustard sandwich, and it's very popular. And I wanted to put my own take on it, so I made a sauce called MOJO sauce. I was a big fan of Austin Powers back in those days. So I did that. And then one day I decided to take the ingredients for my Cuban sandwich and mix them all together and wrap them up in an egg roll wrapper and make a Cuban egg roll. And they became one of the most popular appetizers on the menu. So today we're gonna make that. Here we go. We're just going to wrap up a few of these, and while I do it, I'm going to talk about the MOJO sauce. Like we did when we made the crab rangoons a while back, you wet the edges of your egg roll wrapper, just like we did with our spring roll wrappers. And these are store-bought. You can see I have them laying at an angle with a point pointing away from me and a point pointing towards me. We're going to put some of our Cuban filling on the wrapper. You don't want to put too much, you don't want to overfill it because you don't want it to explode on you. So get that nice and centered in the middle of your wrap. And then you're going to go up, bring the bottom corner to the middle, bring the side corners in, and then pinch the little end right here. Make sure that everything is well contained. We're going to bring in the next corner, and then we're going to roll it up. Make it nice and round, and there you have it. So we're going to do a few more of these, and then we're going to fry them up. But anyway, the MOJO sauce is it's mayonnaise, and it's the chipotle pepper puree. I don't know if you remember, we made that for something we made recently. Oh, we made the chili. And I always keep some of that chipotle pepper puree, talk much, in my refrigerator because I like to use it for different stuff. So, mayonnaise, chipotle pepper puree, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and a little bit of honey for sweetness. So we got a little sweet, a little heat, a little MOJO. And that is all mixed together with all of the ingredients, as you'll see in the pictures when I put this video together. I chopped up the ham, I chopped up the pork. I had one of those baked stuffed pork chops from Thanksgiving in my freezer still, so I pulled that out, cut it up and chopped it up for this dish. And way to use leftovers, which is one of the things I do best. And again, we have another perfect egg roll. We want to put those seams side down while we're saving these. And we're going to do one more. And then we're going to do the rest off camera so I don't waste your whole day watching me do this. But you get the technique, and like I say, I'm not one of those people that you see at the Chinese restaurant that can make about 1 million of these in a minute. I take my time, like I always do. Careful to making sure everything is placed and perfect, because that's the way I like to do things. And we're going to make it pretty. Fold it up, bottom corner, sides in, pinched, and then we're going to roll it up, spread it to the edges so it comes out nice and even, and there we have another one. And I can't touch my camera with my hands, so There we go.